Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Meta Ads Manager for profitable campaigns step by step clearly. Open Meta Ads Manager and log into your account. Navigate to the Campaign tab to start creating a new campaign. Click on the Create button to begin the setup process. Choose your campaign objective based on your marketing goals. Select options like brand awareness, lead generation, or conversions. Name your campaign to keep your projects organized. Set your campaign budget based on your financial strategy. Choose between a daily or lifetime budget for your campaign. Click on Continue to move to the ad set level. Define your target audience based on demographics and interests. Select your location, age, gender, and detailed targeting options. Create your ad placement selection, either automatic or manual. Set your schedule for how long you want your ads to run. Move on to the ad creation phase by clicking Continue. Choose your ad format, such as image, video, or carousel. Upload your creative assets according to the ad format you selected. Write compelling ad copy that aligns with your campaign objective. Ensure that your call to action is clear and appealing to your audience. Preview your ad to check how it looks across different placements. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your ad. Review all settings to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to launch your campaign. Monitor your campaign's performance through the Analytics dashboard. Adjust your strategy based on insights and metrics provided. Continue optimizing your ads for better results as needed. Stay updated with Meta Ads Manager's latest features and trends. Utilize A/B testing to refine your ad strategies further. Keep experimenting with different audiences and placements for maximum profitability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.